If you're looking to maximize your shop floor operations with manufacturing technology that includes AI and automation, then this is the event for you. Welcome to Hexagon's The Future of Shop Floor 2025 here at the Mills CNC Tech Center.
I'm Jason Walker, so I lead general manufacturing practice for Hexagon, which is essentially a focus on our supply chain manufacturing customers and what we can provide them in terms of increasing the efficiency of their operations across their shop floors. So today we're hosting our Future of the Shop Floor event at Mills CNC. So it's in collaboration with Mills, who is a good partner of ours, and they've been kind enough to let us use their facilities, their CNC machines, and showcase some of the technologies that we have to complement, obviously, what they provide to customers. We are focusing on the future of the shop floor in terms of what Hexagon is proposing as our shop floor excellence suite of solutions. This is not a product, it's not even a product suite. It's a group of capabilities that we have to offer customers to create more efficiency across their shop floor. All the way from managing the quotes that they have to output to win more work, through to managing design reviews, preparing for the manufacturing process with our CAD/CAM portfolio, inspecting on the shop floor as well as in the quality lab, and then gathering more intelligence from the shop floor as well to drive more efficiency and more insight into how the business is operating. So over and above that, we've got deep dive focus sessions on production, on inspection, and on some of the other capabilities that we're launching to the market. So if we look at production, we're launching AI to complement our existing CAM portfolio and drive more efficiency and automation in the way that our customers use our CAM solutions to create programs for their machines. As well as in the inspection realm, when it comes to creating an inspection routine for the machine, more AI is being used to assist our customers in creating those routines quicker and easier using the digital twin of the parts that they want to inspect. So both on the production floor as well as in the quality lab, AI is prevalent. So the last couple of days we've really showcased some of the enhancements to our traditional portfolio as well as some of the new technologies that we're launching to the market just to make our customers' operations more efficient, more streamlined, easier, more automated, and ultimately help them overcome some of the bottlenecks and the challenges that they face in their business, driving for more productivity and efficiency.
As well as the 7 live demos running throughout the Mills CNC shop floor here, there's been 2 days packed full of technical talks on topics such as AI assistance in manufacturing software and their collaborative cloud system called Nexus.
Hi, my name's Stephen Graham. I'm responsible for Nexus, which is Hexagon's cloud-based platform for manufacturing. Really at its heart, Nexus is about connectivity. It's about joining the dots between all of the different technologies that a shop floor or manufacturing organization might have today. Nexus is really intended to meet manufacturers where they are. So it will connect together whatever technologies they've got, whether from Hexagon or not, to build workflows based on existing processes, existing methodologies for storing data and so on. Nexus is about collaboration. It's about joining people together, encouraging them to collaborate. But what's really exciting about Nexus is it gives us the chance to then introduce artificially intelligent collaborators into the workflow. We don't want to replace people with AI. We want to enhance what they can do by bringing artificial intelligence to the workflow. Key example of an artificial intelligence collaborator that we're showing today is ProPlan AI.
From cloud systems to brand new products, let's hear about a brand new release as part of the Hexagon portfolio range from Zoltán. They've also got some cupcakes to celebrate.
My name is Zoltán Tomoga, Product Manager at Hexagon Production Software. I'm really excited today because we are bringing a brand new product, Datanomix, to the UK market. It is a machine-to monitoring solution to monitor all of your CNC machines from milling, turning, wire EDM and even robots. Datanomix does show live data on the shop floor, so we can put the live information on the TV screens on your shop floor to give a constant feedback to your shop floor managers and also to your operators. What it also does, it collects all the data, and you can have a historical information what's happened yesterday night or what's happened a couple of months ago if you run the same recurring projects on your shop floor to improve your production throughput. The main benefit, I believe, in Datanomix is to have a user interface for shop floor managers who can use this information, the gathered information, to use that to communicate with the shop floor operators, and also to use that to present how the shop floor performing to the management. One thing I'm really excited about is Factory Mate. Factory Mate is Datanomix AI solution to have a quick overview of your data from yesterday night, and the shop floor operator can easily understand what was the top 3 major downtime issue for your production and help you how to improve your production throughput. Datanomix fits into our Hexagon Smart Shop initiative, where we're focusing on driving the CNC machines efficiently. We're working on constantly improving our tool path calculations, and we also would like to understand what's happening on the shop floor to make sure we utilize our equipment down on the shop floor to get your company onto the next level of future manufacturing.